Good morning, guys. And today is 4th January, Monday, 2021, and I am here with your GK quiz, or the GK's current GK daily quiz. All right, so let's start with our slide number one over here. It says the Indian Coast Guard (ICG) signs the pact with seven Asian countries: Japan, Philippines, Thailand, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Memorandum of Understanding, okay, for cooperation in maritime search and rescue operation SAR. SAR in India controlled and coordinated by ICG through three maritime rescue coordinating centers at Mumbai, Chennai, and Port Blair. ICG Karnataka is coordinator for MSAR. ICG DG General Krishna Swamy Natarajan, founded 1978. Okay, our next news is from MSME Ministries Khadi Arm, Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC. Okay, launches the e-commerce portal that is called ekhadiindia.com. The website catalog over 50,000 products under more than 500 varieties and various categories of locally made khadi and village industry products. It is the first of its kind government online shopping platform to boost the rural economy and become self-sustainable. KVIC Chairman Vinay Kumar Saxena. Next news is from the world of music here. The legendary Odia music director Shantanu Mahapatra passes away at the age of 84. He has over 1,900 compositions, which include 53 films, 60 dramas by All India Radio, Katak. Okay, 10 jatars and 10 dance dramas hold credit for many first in Odia music. This is modern lullaby in air, khoil, bhangra, tune, fusion, and jumping knot. Okay, won 80 awards and accolades highest as an Odia music director. Next is our former Union Minister and the Congress leader Bhuta Singh passes away at age of 86. The eight-time parliamentarian was first elected in 1962 from Boga Lok Sabha constituency, Punjab. He was the Deputy Minister of Railway in 1974, chairperson of the Organizing Committee for Asian Games in 1981, and Union Home Minister under Rajiv Gandhi. Okay, did you know he was the chairman of NCSC from 2007 to 2010? Next is India to be the co-chair of the Asia's Protected Areas Partnership, a regional forum to conserve the wildlife habitat for 3 years. APAP, Asia Protected Areas Partnership, chaired by IUCN Asia and co-chaired by an APAP members country. It currently has 21 members from 17 countries. It helps government and other stockholders to collaborate for the more effective management and protected areas. India is replacing South Korea as co-chair. APAP launched at IUCN World Parks Congress in Australia in 2014. Next is our Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah released inaugural issue of National Police K9 Journal. Okay, so first such publication in the country on the subject of police services K9S, that is the police dogs. Okay, it is a step in creating an ecosystem in the country to train and learn on augmenting this vital resource. The biannual journal will be released in April and October. A special police K9 cell was established in November 2019. TRIFED signs Memorandum of Understanding with the Deen Dayal Antyodaya National Rural Livelihood Mission. Okay, to boost the tribal livelihood development, it is to work together and synergizing the various programs that are implemented already and enhance the livelihoods, especially that of women. SHGs include those from tribal population. Scope of work outlined two broad areas: MFP and handloom handicrafts. Okay, NRLM, Ministry of Rural Development, renamed as DAY NRLM in 2015. Next news is from the National Commission of Scheduled Tribes. National Commission of Scheduled Tribes NCST develops a software to facilitate the web-enabled grievances redressal system. It will facilitate ease of filing a complaint in the commission by any aggrieved person belonging to ST community or their representatives, and will also facilitate them in getting updates on progress status of the case. Portal is https://ncstgrams.gov.in slash. Okay, and NCST chairman is Nand Kumar Shai, and it was formed in 2014. Okay, next news is about India became the first country to culture UK variant of SARS-CoV-2. It was isolated and cultured at the National Institute of Virology from the clinical specimen collected from UK returnees. Okay, culture is the process by which the cells are grown under the controlled conditions. Okay, generally outside their natural environment. Vero cell lines were used by scientists of ICMR and IV to culture. The next is from United Nations. FAO names 4 Asian tea cultivation sites as globally important agricultural heritage system. Okay, chosen sites are Pure Traditional Tea, Agro System, Jasmine Tea Site, China, Traditional Tree Grass System, Japan, and Fuzhou and Traditional Handhog Tea Agro System, South Korea. India has 3 sites: Koraput Traditional Agricultura Farming and Saffron Heritage. Okay, GIAHS was started in 2002 by FAO. Okay, next is from Oak Ridge Energy signed agreement to solarize 1,000 Kendra Vidyalayas. Okay, Delhi government schools. The company is aiming to solarize 1,000 institutions by 2022. In 2020, it solarized over 15 schools of Department of Education in Delhi, along with recently commissioned largest solar power project of 217 kilowatt in Delhi University at Lady Arvind College. Okay, Oak Ridge Energy CEO is Sravanan Sampath. Headquarters is located in New Delhi. Okay. Next is your IOC launches India's first remote monitoring and operating center for tracking of Indian oil's refinery gas turbines. Okay, set up in the Hyderabad by the BHEL GE Gas Turbine Services, a joint venture of BHEL and General Electric. It will analyze operational data from 27 gas turbines at 8 Indian Oil Corporation refineries across the country. And IOC chairman is S.M. Vaidya. And our last slide of the day is from Goa. It says Goa's 14-year-old Leon Mendonca becomes the India's 67th Grandmaster. He achieved his first GM norm at the Rico Chess GM round robin in October, while the second came at the first Saturday event in Budapest in November, and the final one at the Vergine Cup in Italy. Okay, Mendokun achieved the feat at 14 years, 9 months, and 17 days. He's the second GM from Goa. Okay, guys. So this is latest GK or the current GK for the day. Okay. Wish you good luck ahead. Thank you very much, and bye bye.